guys, today we're going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to make these delicious, simple and easy Shami Kababs. They're perfect for Iftar time this Ramadan month, so let's begin with the ingredients. 3 washed chicken breasts, 1 cup of chana dal soaked all night in water, 1 tablespoon of zina or cumin seeds, dried red chilies to taste, coriander seeds 1 tablespoon, half a garlic, 3 bits of chopped ginger, half a teaspoon of garam masala. If you want to know how to make homemade garam masala, check the link in the description. Red chili powder to taste, depending on how hot or spicy you want it. Turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon. Salt to taste. And 1 chopped potato. Firstly, place the chicken. You're going to mix all those ingredients with the chicken. Then pour in 2 cups of water and then leave it to boil. We're keeping it on a high flame for 10 minutes. After it's boiled, take out the chicken. Leave this to cool down and boil this until the water evaporates and it becomes dry. Once that's done, let it completely cool down. The rest of the ingredients are 1 chopped onion, half a cup of coriander leaves, mint is to taste depending how much mint you want, and if you don't like mint you can leave that out. We're adding 1/4 cup. Green chilies to taste depending on how spicy you want it, and 1 egg. Now the chicken that you boiled earlier, you're going to crumble it like this. Some people may blend it, but we don't really want to blend it because it becomes completely smooth. We like it a bit crumbly because it tastes better. Now you're going to blend all your ingredients together. And you're going to blend. Now combine your blended paste with your crunched up boiled chicken breast. And mix. After you've mixed all your ingredients, beat an egg. And grease your hand with a little bit of oil so it's easier to handle the mixture. Then grab a bit of your mixture and roll it in your hands and flatten it down. And go around the edges so there's no cracks with your fingers. Then roll in your beaten egg. This prevents it from breaking when you go to fry them. Heat up a pan and pour in oil. We're going to shallow fry our Shami Kababs. Turn to a low flame and then place your chicken Shami Kababs. Turn them over and cook until they're golden brown on both sides. Once they're done, you can take them out. So here we have our chicken Shami Kabab. It's perfect for iftar times this Ramadan month. So be inspired, try new things, and conquer amazing skills. And like and subscribe and comment down below and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.